gentlemen, Mr. Elias TV.
The Quran, Revelation of Jerusalem, Shalom, Salam Alaikum. You can see Christian, Jews and Muslim living together and praying, Amen. Let's give thanks and praises. Bahu Abba Hazanan. Baku haba Jerusalem, Baku haba Hazana.